Alright guys, we are gonna switch out our ignition today. As you can see, I got it screwed off already, the tip. Oh, just popped it out of there. This is my new one that we're putting in. Come here. Pop that. And then we're gonna put the ignition. Just popped out of there. We're gonna pop that off of there and switch that off. We're gonna pop that right there off, right there. Oh, this is the old one. That's the old one we just took off. Here. Alright, we'll just screw this off. And then attach this back to this. And then stick it back through that hole. Alright, you can see we have it as a hole now. Let's screw this cap back on. See if we can screw it without it going back in on us. It went back in on me. Alright, so I got the cap back screwed on there. Got it hand tight. I'll tighten it with the wrench. And then we'll start her up. See if she works. Alright. Let's see what she do, y'all. We have power. Sweet.